Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to stretch out my hair and trim it. Washed, conditioned and moisturized, and I just put it in this big plait. I have sectioning clips, sectioning and detangling comb, scrunchies and hair ties too. My blow dryer. I also like to use this bamboo brush from curls and tresses to smoothen out my hair. I also have my hair shears, and this is the hair straightener. This is it. This is unbranded and I got this from Jumia. I'm going to start by drying my hair first. So the setting I'm using the tension nozzle, and this hair dryer has cold setting and hot setting, 0, medium and high for both cold and hot. Okay, sorry, this is for speed. First of all, I'm going to spray my hair using a heat protectant, Tresemme New Look Keratin Smooth with marula oil. Yeah, so I'm going to spray that on also very generously. Alright guys, I'm done with drying my hair. Now there are 6, or rather there are 5 settings apart from the on setting. I don't know if it's visible. Right now is on the 3rd one. I think I want to put this on the 4th one. What I'm going to do is to go in with my detangling brush. Okay, it's not supposed to be able to burn because the plates are inside. The back is actually hot, however, and I can feel the warmth, but this place is just plastic. The plates are inside, so it shouldn't burn your scalp.